The Woodill Brushfire was one of the most unusual American minicars of the 1950s. It was created by Blanchard Robert Woody Woodill, a Dodge Willys dealer from Southern California and the founder of the Woodill Fiberglass Body Corporation. After introducing the full-size Woodill Wildfire sports car in 1952, Woodill developed a miniature companion model called the Brushfire, giving younger enthusiasts a vehicle that closely resembled the original. Built in Tustin, California, the Brushfire copied the Wildfire's proportions and styling with remarkable accuracy. Like its larger counterpart, it featured lightweight fiberglass bodywork mounted on a tubular steel frame. The body included chrome bumpers, decorative headlights and taillights, a faux Continental spare tire cover, and the same sporty profile that made the Wildfire distinctive. Although intended primarily for children between 6 and 12 years old, the Brushfire was large enough for many adults to drive. Its wheelbase measured 63 inches, and the complete vehicle weighed only about 215 pounds, 98 kilograms. Power came from a single-cylinder side-valve engine, producing approximately 3 horsepower at 3,800 revolutions per minute and 4.5 pound-feet, 6.1 newton-meters, of torque at 3,000 revolutions per minute. The drivetrain used a clutch and a single forward gear, allowing a top speed of roughly 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per hour, while achieving an estimated 85 miles per gallon, 2.8 liters per 100 kilometers. The Brushfire was promoted not only as a recreational vehicle, but also as a potential competitor in the rapidly growing quarter-midget racing scene. Contemporary magazines praised its realistic appearance, and promotional photographs often showed the Brushfire parked beside a full-size Wildfire to emphasize their close resemblance. One famous publicity image even featured future Hollywood actor Robert Stack driving the miniature car. Production remained extremely limited, making the Brushfire one of the rarest fiberglass vehicles of the decade. Few examples survived, and original cars are now highly sought after by collectors of early fiberglass automobiles. One surviving Brushfire spent decades with 2 owners in Downey, California, before changing hands in 2025. During its lifetime, the original engine was replaced with a Briggs & Stratton OHV single-cylinder engine driving the rear axle through a centrifugal clutch and chain. The surviving car retains its fiberglass body, tubular frame, bench seat, and distinctive styling, preserving an important chapter in the history of America's pioneering fiberglass sports cars.